Video going viral is one of the most enjoyable things that a YouTuber can enjoy. Especially for people who are new to YouTube, they should look for something that happens on their YouTube channel. Going viral is one of the hardest things that can happen to a channel. But in this video, I will tell you a technique to go viral so that you can prepare your video to go viral and get millions of views. The first technique, the topic you choose for the video. The topic you choose for the video has the most important secret of making your video go viral. That is, the topics that are searched on YouTube and people are concerned about. You should make a video about that topic. Second technique, having a good thumbnail. Having a good thumbnail can be used as one of the most important factors. No matter how good the quality of your video is, if you don't have a good thumbnail, it will be impossible to grow on YouTube, just like a store that sells the best products but has no good decoration, definitely not. Someone goes to buy from that shop because there are many shops and they go to buy from them. If you see the video of my channel, it managed to reach 100 views on YouTube in just one day. And one of the reasons for that is having a good thumbnail and topic. People are good at starting YouTube with a topic. Before we move on to the next topic, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You are doing me the biggest favor, and I have a surprise for you if we reach 10 subscribers. The third technique, video quality. After having a good subject and a good thumbnail and title, we come to the quality of the video. Most people will tell you that having more videos on YouTube is better than quality, but I'll change that. I'll say that having good quality is more important than having more videos on YouTube because more people are starting to get active on YouTube. They do. And the audience will click on your video after seeing your video. But due to the lack of good quality, you could not force the audience to watch the video until the end. And the audience will leave your video and stop visiting your channel. Ultimately, they should at least get more views of your video. And if that happens, congratulations, you've increased your chances of going viral.